Hello and a huge welcome to this video. I'm Scorpion from How To Do, and this is my new game. It is a top-down game which I have been working lately, and in this video we will see what it looks like and what we have in this scene, and then in next video we will start the tutorial series. So let's get started. First thing, we want to see our scene. So this is the scene. I made it from low poly assets, and I will also tell you where to find these assets in my next videos, and they all are free, right? You can find them for free. So this is the scene. Here is some garden over here. This is also a garden, and this is a tree in here. These are some cars. The police is also here, and you can see these are police guys, and there's ambulance, and then you can see this garden. Then there is this small room in here. There's a gate in here. Then there's a car and small details. And then the cool thing is that behind this this powerhouse or power building, there is this secret door, so you can also access this secret door. I will tell you guys. And this is the kitchen, and in the kitchen you can see this gun. All right, so you have to come here and take this gun, and I'll also tell you how to do that and what to do. This is the dining room, and the guy who is the owner of this room has actually shifted here for just like now, and all the things are packed up so in these cardboards. But this is the TV lounge, or whatever you want to say. This is the TV and these sofa things, and there is this garden, kind of a backyard. And then in here you have this cool swimming pool. All right, and you can see these doors are also really awesome. Then there are this path you can see, and then you have this back. All right, and there is also this kind of toilet thingy. All right, you can see this mirror over here, so it shows this guard which is over here, and this tub, this toilet thingies over here, and sink and double sinks. And this is the sitting room, or whatever you want to say. You can also see the AC over here, outer unit, and all that stuff. So we have this for our scene. This is our player. All right, cool guy. Okay, and then we can see that we have these two GUIs. So let me just go ahead and press F, and you can see this. So let's see the pistol one first. So this is the pistol GUI. You can see there are three ammos, 3 bullets, and we have 3. And then in the rifle you have 20 out of 20 bullets. So you have also this kind of GUI in here. And then let's go ahead and play. Alright, so if I hit play, you can see this is our character, and he can we can look around like this, but we can also look around, just look around in the x-axis, not in the y-axis, so the camera cannot move up and down. All right, and he can run around. And let me just go ahead and disable these guys first, so you can see what is actually happening. So disable these and come in here and press F. So there will be no guards now because I have disabled them. So our character can walk around. He can walk around. He can also run around, and he can collide, of course, with these things. These interact with these guys. And then if I press 1, he will take out the pistol like that. And you can see this cursor over here, which tells where we are going to shoot. Like if I can shoot, you can see this smoke appears over here, muzzle flash. And you can also see over here that we have only 1 bullet left. So if I go ahead and do that, only 0 bullets are left. So if I click now, you can see that we cannot shoot anymore. So we have to reload. So we press R, and he does that animation, and now you can see there are 3 out of 3. So we can shoot like that, and then reload, shoot like that, reload. So now if I press 2, there goes no you see there is no other rifle. Like if I press 2, there should be you know, a kind of a AK-47 comes out, but we don't have it, as you can come on, as you saw before, that it is lying in the kitchen. So we have to go to the kitchen and get the AK-47. So we will run around like that, and you can see if I come to the door and just come through it, it will open it by itself. Alright, and he will swing around like that, like a real door, and that's really awesome thing. Alright, so same thing happens with all of these doors. So I can go in here in the kitchen, and there you can see there's the AK-47. If I come close to it and if I press E, the AK-47 will vanish from there, and it is now with us. So if I press 2 now, he will take out this rifle AK-47, and now you can see there are 20 out of 20 bullets. So I can shoot around like that, and there we go. Now there are 0, and I cannot shoot again anymore, so I have to press R. He will do the second animation, a kind of a different animation, and there we go, we have 20 out of 20 bullets. So we can put the AK-47 again in ourselves, and then we can run around the this map. So you can see this mirror, we can see the door in here swinging around, and we can also see ourselves. And if I take out the gun, you can see there you can see the cursor and the laser. Alright, so that's cool. And we can come out here, and you saw that secret door over here. So how to access that? You have to come here and push this thing there, and that will do the trick. Like, we can slide this around. Alright, but now we cannot go because this is in the way. Like that, there we go, we can slide around, and there we go. So now it's time to add some bots in here, so let's just enable them, and there we go, the bots are enabled. Now let me just play, and I won't say anything while I'm playing because it's a really hard game, you see, because we only have a pistol over here with ourselves, which is only 3 bullets, which is pretty. So we killed the first one. Can I come like that? Oh man, I'm I'm dead. So what I do actually is I run around, like I run for my AK-47, so I dodge these guys. They are pretty awesome aimers, you see. And there we go, we get inside over here. They are also coming from that side. I'm going inside over here, and I'm gonna take my AK-47, take it, and then shoot these guys. Oh man, he killed me. This guy killed me. Alright, so we can also go from different paths. Alright, and yeah, this is the game. You will also learn how to make all of this in Unity using Playmaker. I'm dead. Run like that. Oh shit, everyone killed me, you see. Everyone is actually aiming me. So if I come out, you can see he's also aiming at me. Everyone is aiming at me, you can see. There we go, he's looking at me, he's aiming at me, and there I am dead, helpless. So you will also learn how to make this AI that will avoid the obstacles. So if I play now, and you will see this guy, he will avoid the obstacles, and he has that path. He will walk around like from here. Alright, so he walks in this path. This is whole a nav mesh, so the blue area you can see is where the enemies can walk. So like here, as you can see, he walks around like over here. He avoids these obstacles, so he cannot clip through these obstacles. And they also can open up doors, like if you can see, comes and they open up doors by themselves. Alright, like that. So that's pretty cool. I am already dead, but yeah, that's pretty cool. So this is the game which I have been working lately, and let me just play it again. It's really awesome game, I love playing it. And if you have any suggestions that what I should add again and what I should add more in the game, then please let me know in the comments below. And if you want to learn, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, because I will be pretty soon releasing the tutorial on this thing. Alright, incoming. Oh shit, and this pistol sucks, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the AK-47 and kick their butts. Alright, so I'm gonna run dodge their lasers because they can shoot anytime. Oh shit, oh shit, oh shit, oh yes. Man, I'm dead already. This slider itself, again, until everyone in this map dies, I'm not gonna leave this game. Alright, this is my game, my creation. There we go. Slide. Take this. Come on, babies, come on. Kill this guy, kill this guy, kill this guy. 14 bullets left. I'm gonna make them 0 and reload that again. There we go. Dead body. Hey, who killed me? Oh, you saw that? It was really awesome. Let me just quickly show you what happened. Actually, this guy was over here. Take this guy. This guy was right over here, and this door was little opened. I cannot open again, but his laser came right through, and it hit me over here. So his aiming is pretty cool. But that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, then subscribe to my channel. If you want to learn how to make this, go ahead and just wait for the tutorial to be released. And yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, be cool.